The income statement and balance sheet of a company. Income statement: sales revenue, operating expense excluding depreciation, depreciation expense, income before tax, tax expense, net income. Balance sheet: cash, account receivable, inventory, account payable. Included in operating expense is টাকা 24,000 loss resulting from sale of machinery for টাকা 270,000 cash. Machinery was purchased at a cost of টাকা 750,000. Income tax expense represent the amount paid in 2022, dividend declared in 2022. Prepare cash flow statement under indirect method. So now we will prepare the cash flow statement under indirect method as directed. At first we are now preparing the cash flow statement. Which method? That is our indirect method. Cash flow statement under indirect method. In this case, at first we need the net income of a company, also the additional information as included here. We know that the cash flow statement comprises of three parts: cash flows from operating activities, cash flows from investing activities, and cash flows from financing activities. In every cases there may be cash inflow and outflow. So the statement will be a single sheet and comprising of three parts. So the first part is cash flow from operating activities. This part includes net income. Net income means this company's income statement represent the income which is known as net income. Net income 430,000. The adjustment will be included here. At first, depreciation expense. Depreciation expense we find here. Depreciation expense 880,000. So depreciation expense is 880,000. The next one is loss on sale of machinery. The machinery was sold টাকা 270,000, that is loss is 24,000. The 24,000 is the loss amount. So two item already included here. The next item is increase in accounts receivable. From the balance sheet we see there are two financial years information. Account receivable. The account receivable in 2022 increases by which amount? We find that this year account receivable increases 106,000. So increase in account receivable. And the next one is decrease in inventory. The fiscal year 2021 867,000, in 2022 834,000, 33,000 decrease in inventory. decrease in inventory, then accounts payable, increase in accounts payable in the financial year 2021. The accounts payable were 501,000, and in 2022 521,000, that is 20,000 increase. The increase in accounts payable will be adjusted here. So all the operating activities related item which will be adjusted in with net income will be added here. Depreciation expense, loss on sale of machinery, increase in accounts receivable, decrease in inventory, increase in accounts payable, total amount 792,000. If we add this figure with net income, then we will find the net cash provided by operating activities. That is, net income was 430,000 and adjustment 792,000. Net cash provided by operating activities will be this figure, and we will go now the net cash flows from investing activities. So which information will be included here? This is just the investing activities information, that is purchase of machinery, sale of machinery. The sale of machinery was 270,000 and purchase of machinery was 750,000. Here sale of machinery is 270,000 and purchase of machinery is taka 750,000. This two information only of this organization. Purchase of machinery will be deducted and sale of machinery will be added. So net effect will be the net cash flows from investing activities. Net cash flows we will write down here. Net cash flows or net cash used by investing activities 270,000 minus 750,000, that is net amount will be 480,000. Net cash used by investing activities. We know there are three parts: operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. Already we have completed two parts. The next part is net cash flows from financing activities. So what are the financing activities of this company? The financing activities, if we see the problem, payment of cash dividend. Payment of cash dividend, the amount of USD 200,000. Dividend, payment of cash dividend. Payment of cash dividend 200,000 is the financing activities. So in the third part of cash flow statement, the payment of cash dividend will be included. Cash flows from financing activities. We will write down this figure under this part. Payment of cash dividend 200,000. The only one item of this company, so we will write down this figure, then same figure will be carried to next column. Payment of cash dividend 200,000 and the same figure net cash flows from financing activities, same figure will be carried in the next column. The operating activities, investing activities and financing activities, it is also an easy technique if we follow changes in current asset and current liabilities, operating activities. Long-term asset will be the investing activities and long-term liability will be the financing activities and some factors also. So A, B and C, the three part, we will add all the three parts which will result in net increase in cash. To get the figure of net increase in cash, we will add three figure: net cash provided by operating activities, net cash used by investing activities and net cash flows from financing activities. If we add all the three figure, we will get the net increase in cash. We found here that there is a small mistakes because payment of dividend is the cash outflow, so it will be the negative figure. So this is the cash outflow, so we will use negative figure. Net increase in cash 542,000. 542,000 is the net increase in cash. Then we will add the beginning balance, cash at the beginning of period. At the beginning of the period, the cash amount, cash balance will be stated here after the net increase in cash. We will find this data from balance sheet of previous year. Cash at the beginning of the period 130,000. 130,000 is the cash at the beginning of period. So we will add this figure with net increase in cash. We will get the cash at the end of the period. Net increase in cash plus cash at the beginning of the period, the result will be cash at the end of the period. This figure plus this one, 672,000 is the cash at the end of the period. We will check it with balance sheet of the current period, 672,000. The amount is same because the cash flow statement ending balance will be same as the cash balance of the balance sheet of current period. Thank you.